characteristics of life as taught by me, Peyton Wisterwood. So there are 7 characteristics of life. Order, response to stimuli, reproduction, adaptation, growth and development, regulation, and homeostasis. All living organisms, from multicellular organisms like animals and plants to single-celled organisms like bacteria, they all exhibit these same characteristics of life, maybe in different ways, but they all have all of them. Order is like the different levels of organization, so like organelles, the cells, the tissues, organs, organ systems, etc. Even single-celled organisms have order, as they have like organelles that have complex functions and are made up of many molecules. Response to stimuli. All life responds to stimuli. There's tons of different types of stimuli, like auditory, visual, tactile. Those are more like human and animal experiencing. But like a plant bending towards the light, that's response to stimuli. Obviously humans like respond to stimuli a lot, like covering your ears when there's loud sound, that's a response to stimuli. Bacteria moving away from certain chemicals, that's response to stimuli. Every living thing responds to stimuli. Reproduction. All organisms reproduce. It can be sexually, like most animals and plants do. Not plants. Most animals do. Most plants do. But yeah, most animals, they reproduce sexually, so that would be like when they have the female and male reproductive cells, so like eggs and sperm, and they meet, and then, babies are born. But there can also be asexual reproduction, like most single-celled organisms do, so they reproduce by making like copies of themselves, like mitosis or meiosis, things like that. Adaptation. All life adapts over time. It changes to survive better in its environment. It's kind of like survival of the fittest, so the better the adaptation, the more likely it is to get passed on, because the ones without that adaptation are gonna die and won't reproduce. Growth. All organisms grow over time. It's pretty self-explanatory, I fear. Like how babies grow up into fully grown adults, things like that. Regulation. All life can regulate itself. It has multiple complex functions to regulate, like ways to excrete waste and to, regulate like immune systems, things like that. That's regulation. Homeostasis. All organisms are able to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is like a steady state. It's like the constant state that it needs to be in to be able to exist. And it changes depending on things like environment and temperature and stuff. And so all organisms are able to like regulate that homeostasis no matter what it has to change to. So those are the characteristics of life.